Why moment of truth matters in marketing and what exactly it is, we will see in this video. So let's start.
सब्सक्राइब करिए कॉन्सियस वर्ल्ड चैनल को जिससे आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें।
Moment of truth is basically a phase in customer journey when you form an opinion about the brand or product to buy it or not to buy it. This opinion can be negative or positive, and it is formed when you see the product, buy the product, search about the product, or experience the product. First moment of truth happens when you see a product or inquire about a service. Now let's see an example. Suppose you saw a new ice cream ad on TV and then you went to ice cream parlor to check whether it has a good taste or not. Or suppose you saw a new insurance policy ad on newspaper and then you inquire about it with agent or the company. Here, the ads in newspaper or TV is also called as stimulus. Second moment of truth happens when you purchase the product and use it. Now here, the product has to meet your expectations. Suppose you bought a new car and when you start using it, you experienced a lot of problems in customer service or with the car itself. This will create a bad image in your mind, and hence it's very important that the product or company should fulfill your expectations. Third moment of truth happens when you love or hate the product that you have bought and experienced. Suppose you bought a credit card and you are getting good discounts in restaurants and also lounge access on airports, then you will feel good about it. You will also recommend the same to your friends and relatives. Now if you see a customer journey, it will look like this. Stimulus, which is ads on any platform. Then first moment of truth. After that, second moment of truth. And at the last, third moment of truth. Maybe 10 years back, we see or hear ads on TV, newspaper, radio. But now, with dominance of internet in India, it has become part of daily life to consume different information on internet. We watch news, videos, movies and ads on internet now. So one moment of truth is also there called as zero moment of truth. Zero moment of truth happens between stimulus and first moment of truth. In this phase, you search about the product and form an opinion before reaching towards first moment of truth. It has become one of the most important phase nowadays. In this phase, you search things like what features are important or useful in this product. You compare different products online. You check reviews about the product. And also you check where is the cheapest place to purchase the product. You might also purchase the product in this phase only, and hence companies are paying much attention to zero moment of truth. To see an example, whenever you go for outstation trip, you search for hotels on platforms like Goa eBook or Make My Trip. You check for guest reviews, hotel pictures, compare room rates, and sometimes ask your friends for suggestions before booking it. So here, you make most of your decision in this phase only, and sometimes you book the hotel also. First moment of truth will happen when you go to that place and see the hotel. Second moment of truth will happen when you stay there, as you have already done the booking in zero moment of truth. And third moment of truth will happen when you provide good or bad review about that place. Let's see another example of a car. Suppose you saw an ad of Mahindra Thar on TV. Then you went to dealer for test ride or seeing the car. That is first moment of truth. Once you buy that car and experience it, that is second moment of truth. If you also suggest or refer that car to your friends and relatives, then that is third moment of truth. So where is zero moment of truth here? Zero moment of truth is when you search for reviews on YouTube or blogs where specialists provide car reviews. Now we come to the last part of our video. That is why these moments are important for company. Every product or service has a product life cycle. If you have not seen our video on that, you can check on our channel, and I have also provided a link in the description box. So after some time, in every product, there is a lot of competition, and hence it is important for company that they should make every moment of truth positive for you. This helps companies to increase their revenues with new and old customers. I hope the explanation and concept is clear to you. If you like the video explanation, subscribe and give us a thumbs up so that we keep create quality content for you. We will meet in the next video.